Welcome to the mobile phone manufacturing factory. In this factory, thousands of smartphones are produced every day. Modern machines, skilled workers, and advanced technology work together to create smart devices used all around the world. The process starts when raw materials arrive at the factory. These include silicon, glass sheets, plastic granules, metals like aluminum and copper, and tiny electronic components. Engineers design the motherboard, also called the PCB, printed circuit board. This board is the brain of the mobile phone, where all components will be placed. Large PCB sheets are printed using special machines. Copper layers are added, and chemical processes create tiny paths for electricity to flow. Tiny holes are drilled into the PCB for connections. Multiple layers are pressed together to form a strong multi-layer board. This makes the board powerful, but very small in size. Fast robotic arms place microchips, resistors, capacitors, and processors on the PCB. This process is called SMT, surface mount technology. Machines work with extreme accuracy and speed. The PCB passes through a long heated oven. Solder paste melts and fixes all components firmly on the board. After cooling, the parts are permanently attached. Automatic testing machines check every connection. Cameras scan for mistakes. Any faulty board is removed from the line. Large glass sheets are cut into screen sizes. Layers of LCD or OLED panels are added. Colors, brightness, and clarity are tested carefully. A transparent touch sensor layer is added to the display. This allows the screen to detect finger touch accurately. Lithium-ion batteries are assembled in a separate safe area. Each battery is tested for charging, heat resistance, and long life. Tiny lenses and sensors are assembled to create camera modules. These cameras are tested for focus and image quality. Small audio parts are produced and tested. Clear sound and vibration are important for user experience. Plastic or metal frames are made using molding machines. Frames are polished, painted, and dried. The screen is carefully placed into the phone frame using adhesive machines. The finished PCB is installed inside the body. Connections are made with screen, camera, and speakers. Battery is placed and connected with small wires and connectors. Phones are connected to computers. Operating system, apps, and drivers are installed. Each phone is tested for touch, sound, camera, Wi-Fi, network, and battery. Phones are cleaned, packed with charger and cable, and boxed. Boxes are sent for shipment to stores worldwide. The factory line slowly comes to an end. Rows of fully assembled smartphones move forward on the conveyor belt. Bright lights shine on the devices as they pass through the final inspection area. Workers carefully pick up each phone and wipe the screen to remove any dust or fingerprints. Each phone is powered on one last time. The display lights up beautifully. The touch responds smoothly. The camera, sound, and network are checked again. After approval, the phones move to the packaging section. Soft protective films are placed on the screens. Phones are placed gently into their boxes, along with the charger, cable, and user manual. Boxes are sealed, labeled, and arranged in large cartons. These cartons are loaded onto pallets and prepared for shipping. Forklifts carry them toward the delivery trucks waiting outside the factory. As the truck doors close, the journey of the smartphone begins. From this factory, the phones will travel to shops, cities, and countries around the world. Soon, these devices will be in the hands of people, helping them call loved ones, take photos, watch videos, study work, and stay connected. This is the amazing journey of a smartphone. From raw materials to a smart device in your hand, technology, precision, and teamwork make it all possible.